Additive technologies is one of technology's production form, where three-dimensional physical object is created according to the digital model. Printing is carried out by a special device, 3D printer, which ensures the creation of a physical object by sequentially applying plastic, ceramic or metal powders and binding them in a thermal, diffusion or adhesive manner. Additive technologies allow to manufacture parts or complete products for various industries. They are most involved in construction, light industry, agriculture, machine and shipbuilding, cosmetics, medicine and pharmacology. Usually, additive technologies use micropowders and grinding powders. These dimensions are 14 to 63 and 3 to 10 microns. Obtaining of micropowders and grinding powders using traditional mills and shredders faces a number of difficulties, which are expressed in long processing, large equipment dimensions, rapid wear of working elements, noisy operation and significant energy consumption. That's why GlobeCore has developed innovative technologies of micropowder and grinding powders production, which are designed for 3D printing. This technology is implemented in vortex layer device AVS. Grinding and mixing in vortex layer devices is carried out due to the movement in the working chamber under the action of the rotating electromagnetic field of cylindrical ferromagnetic particles. They rotate at the same time, constantly collide with each other, with the walls of the working chamber and with particles of processed substances. GlobeCore accumulated experience of cement, sand, bentonite, chalk, glass, silumin, alloy of aluminum and silicon, graphite, titanium and processing through AVS. Based on these and other materials, AVS allows you to create exclusive micropowders and grinding powders, unique mixtures, complex compositions in the form of homogeneous masses, suitable for the manufacture of an object of any complexity. Efficient grinding to the level of micropowders and fine grinding powders in AVS takes place in a few seconds or minutes, while in traditional mills these processes can take hours. Moreover, vortex layer devices are almost silent, are easily integrated into existing technological lines of grinding materials, and also consume little electricity compared to traditional ball or vibration mills. Which equipment do you use for obtaining micropowders and grinding powders in additive technologies? Share your experience in the comments. Additional information about GlobeCore technology and equipment can be found by clicking on the link in the first comment or on the website www.globecore.com.